Since the start of the premium trading signals group, we have had over 11 winning trades and over a 70% win rate. So if you want to join this group and learn more about trading crypto, make sure to check out the links down in the pinned comment for both the Telegram and the Discord group, where you can find more information on how to join the signals group.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great weekend, and welcome to this video in which I'm going to do my daily update on Bitcoin. And the situation since yesterday, to be honest, has not changed a lot, but I do think I have a clearer image of at least my idea on Bitcoin. So I wanted to share that with you and also just do a quick outlook and kind of an overview. Perhaps that's a better word, of next week. What can you expect? Do we still have fundamentals we need to be worried about? That kind of thing. So let's get right into it. Bitcoin over the last 24 hours has been bullish again, but I mean, it's been pretty neutral, right? I mean, the volume has dropped down quite significantly. Right now, I think as you can see, we're pretty low. We're perhaps at the... We're tied at the 12th of February for the lowest volume in the entire month, which is not a problem. I mean, it's the weekend. This is what we have what we have observed for the last few weekends and basically for the last few months as well. But last few weekends were different, of course. But yeah, so not a lot has been going on. In the end, you can see that we have this quite strong support level right here, this trend line. Together with the 200 EMA, which altogether is a very strong support level, right? And then it's also paired up with this level right here. I mean, as you can see, this has been a strong support level for quite some time, for over a month. So that was enough to actually find some support. But right now, as I said yesterday as well, we're really in the middle of something. We're in the middle of this strong resistance level between 23,400 and that support level I was talking about, which I would define as around 22,700, but technically I guess you could say it's between 22,700 and 22,500. So right now, in my opinion, we're neither bullish nor bearish. And that's quite difficult when trading, but also while analyzing, because right now, for example, I'd say the most important thing we have to be taking a look at, technically at least, is something like this, right? So we have this triangle. We have this resistance around 23,400, 23,300, massive resistance. And we have this bullish momentum with which we are practically trying to break above that again. Because what we want to do is break above 23,400 and get towards that 24,000, 23,900 level again. That's what we want to do. That would be really the most bullish outcome at this point of time. And then from that level, we'll see again what could happen. However, I just think with I think the sentiment has changed, to be honest, and perhaps I'm being too, and perhaps I'm getting ahead of myself. That could very well be true, but that is, that is the conclusion I've kind of made. I mean, with all the economic numbers coming out in the last 2 weeks, signaling that inflation is probably going to continue. The least I expect is that we will not hold this bullish momentum, that will drop down to that 22,500 level, and that will at least get into this consolidation, which we have also been in at the end of January and the beginning of February. I think that's the most likely scenario right now, and then somewhere next week, I think we'll be able to tell whether it's more likely to drop down even further towards 21,700, or whether we can hold that consolidation and perhaps get bullish again at some point. But right now, I just don't think the bullish momentum is strong enough. I mean, we're going to get some big moves because the market is opening. Those could be bullish moves. It's very well possible, but I'd say it's like a 25% chance that we do something like this. And it would have to do with the, and let me see if I can look it up real quick. I think so. And that would have to do with the dollar strength index finding a lot of resistance at like 105.6, which could happen. I mean, it's a strong resistance level. If that happens, then Bitcoin could actually become bullish. But right now, I just think I think Bitcoin is more bearish than bullish. And apart from that, next week there are not a lot of fundamentals we need to take a look at, but there are some, especially Thursday with the initial jobless claims, and Friday with the ISM PMI. Those things are the most important ones. We have some things on Wednesday as well, but nothing to worry about early next week. So we can start the week off hopefully a little bit more on the quiet side. But that's my full overview and analysis of Bitcoin. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.